Hey guys, it's Kira from KiraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a Superman plank or a plank with the arms extended, but let's do it. All right guys, so our plank is shoulders, elbows, wrists, all in one straight line. Upper back engaged, push down away from the floor. Also, spread your fingers. What covers more base, this or this? This is going to provide you with more stability. So open your fingers up and grip the floor with your hands. That's going to provide you more stability. So shoulders, elbows, wrists, over nice big hands, upper back engaged, push the ground away, and step yourself back into your plank. My quads are engaged. My butt is squeezing. Now I'm going to pick a hand and bring it forward, and that is going to be our Superman plank or our plank with our arms extended. How far they get extended is up to you. The further away they go, and this is kind of cheating because I'm on a mat that's squishy, but the further away they go, the harder this is going to be. This is going to be easier. This is going to be harder, all right? So we can always work on doing some walking planks, which I have elsewhere in this YouTube library, but we're just going to be working on getting those arms out further away from you, and that's going to be much more challenging on the core. So for more exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KiraWilliamsFitness.com.